Hospitals is an issue that we continue to follow. Thanks for sticking with us. I'm David Rose. Recently, we heard from a former ER doctor at a Bellingham hospital, as well as several nurses, who all said the lack of PPE is putting their lives at risk. But there seems to be little relief coming their way as local companies, big and small, start to do their part to help. Q13's Olivia Lavoie has a look at some of those local heroes.
This is one of those, crazy stories that someday we'll all look back and tell.
It's been an eventful few weeks for the company Superfeet, which specializes in making insoles, basically inserts to make shoes more comfortable. Like so many of us, their work has had to be put on hold for the moment. But they didn't just want to sit around and watch the crisis unfold.
We have employees that would love to be able to help. How can we do this as a company? And what we heard back right away was, based on your guys' unique capabilities, specifically that of 3D printing and the ability to bring together fabric, what we could really use are these papper hoods.
Incredibly, really in a matter of days, Superfeet's engineers began making papper hoods, a certain kind of PPE healthcare workers are using to stay safe.
By providing healthcare professionals with this type of PPE, we're able to keep them in the fight.
The company is set to make 30,000 papper hoods and distribute them to local hospitals, including St. Joseph's in Bellingham.
This particular product is going to save a lot of people's lives.
St. Joseph's Hospital also received another big PPE donation last night. The product a bit more simplistic than papper hoods, but hospitals continue to make it clear they need all the masks they can get.
It just struck my heart right away because I'm a healthcare professional. I see patients in the clinic, and my husband is an ICU doctor.
When Ming Ming isn't working as a pharmacist, she's running the nonprofit Refugee Artisan Initiative, which provides work for immigrant women, often sewing, making home good products or jewelry. Ming Ming employs 7 women who recently came to America. Their time is now dedicated to the cause of making masks they then donate.
Literally within 24 hours, we made 800 masks among seven ladies. Their skill set is being put to a purpose.
To date, they've made over 1,200 masks using donations for supplies through a GoFundMe page. They're now starting to make face shields.
Thank you guys so much.
The masks have been distributed by talk show radio hosts turned podcasters Ron Upshaw and Don O'Neill, who began getting requests from healthcare workers at various local hospitals, desperate for PPE. They, like everyone we've spoken with for this story, tells us the requests and the needs are overflowing. The bottom line is the need for supplies at our local hospitals is very real.
Think about what you can do as individuals and what you can do as a business to be able to give back and to be able to participate. And some people are in a position to do that, other people won't be. But if you are, think outside the box, think about what your expertise is, and try to apply it to the problem.
Olivia Lavoie, Q13 News.
If you're one of the many small businesses in need